Good morning. This is Coach Benji, and thank you for watching the first part of our presentation. Now, here we would like to present to you the best opportunity available online for everybody. Tamang panahon sa pagkakataon na kailangan po natin lahat ng opportunity ngayong pandemic. Now, if you have any question, please brace yourself and we will answer all your questions after the presentation. Alam nyo, sa panahon po ngayon, new normal na mga kapatid. Oo, pandemic. Alam nyo ba, just early 2020, there were 255 Jollibee stores closing down. Ang mga Pilipino ay nagutom, nawala ng bahay. Ang mga OFWs, no, pinauwi, nawala ng trabaho, no, kulang ang sahod o probably na-delay ang kanilang kita. At according to Department of Labor, 180,000 Filipinos losing their job. But good news, sabi po ng ating mentor, Mr. Chinky Tan, that there are 4 booming industry at the time of pandemic. No, ito po ang tinatawag nating 4 major trends na mga bagay na dapat maintindihan mo na pag sinakyan natin, talaga namang kikita tayo. No? The food industry, the health and wellness, technology industry, and the transport business. And also, when we find the good opportunity, i-consider po natin yung 4 na bagay. Number 1, stable ba yung company? Number 2, ano po ba yung mga value ng mga products, no? Number 3, malaki ba ang kita natin dyan? And of course, meron bang available support system na tutulong at magiging madali sa atin para gawin natin ang negosyo? Now, I'd like to introduce to you our company, JC, which stands for Jonathan, so our president, and our vice president, Mr. Carlito Makatangdang. These are very prominent people. Ang mga associates po nila, no, the likes of Manny Pacquiao, no, Manny Villar, Cayetano, and of course, our President Duterte. Ganyan po ang kanilang mga kasama. These are tycoons. So they have very high integrity. Napakaganda ng kanilang pangalan. Now, they were even featured in the Stargate People Asia as the men who mattered at the year 2021. Dahil ang ating mga may-ari mga taong tumaya sa panahon ng pandemic. No? They invested more, they became more aggressive, and they helped a lot of people at this time of depression. Okay? Now, number 2, meron po tayong mga businesses available. Mga businesses natin na hindi lang to basta-basta selling products. We are into online franchising. Now, ang company natin is already 15 years in the industry. We have 54 centers nationwide. Ang head office natin nasa Green Hills, no? And we have international offices in Singapore, Taiwan, Qatar, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Italy. We have international setup. Lahat po yan napasyalan ko na because I am one of the international trainers of our company. Now, let's talk about the first business, which is the food. Unang business, Siomai King. No? The Siomai King is 288,000. Yan po ang value ng ating negosyo. And you could make an average of 30 to 60,000 monthly income. Now, ang Siomai King po nakaposisyon yan sa mga mall kasi dyan matao. And we have more than 1,000 outlets already nationwide. Now, we have Commissary producing 30 million siomai and 7 million siopaw every month. Malaki na ang ating production. No, we have so many endorsers. We even have celebrity franchisees na hindi lang sila nag-endorse, nag-business din sila because they find the business so good. Ang ating latest endorsers, Miss Ivana Alawi. So gumawa po sila ng mga videos, ng mga posters to promote our siomai business. Pangalawa, we bought Boy Bondat. It's a fast food. Ang value ng Boy Bondat is 3.6 million. Yan po yung franchise cost. Our products are Sisig, Pares, Kare-Kare, Goto. No? Ang endorser natin is Boy Abunda. Third, we bought Mang Box. Ito po yung inihaw na manok. Now, the value of our food franchise alone is already at 5.3 million. And you do not get one. You get 7-in-1 online food franchise. If we operate per business, we can make an income of 30 to 50,000 per month. Sigurado panalo negosyo mo at talagang napakalaki ng value na nakukuha mo. The second business that we have is the health and wellness. Alam nyo, sa panahon po ngayon, basic yan. These are the baby boomers. No? Sabon, kape, lotion, juice, pampapayat, pampaputi, basic products na ginagamit natin araw-araw. Very affordable, consumable, nauubos. Ibig sabihin, there's a repeat order. And our products are safe and natural. Bakit? We have organic products. Meron din tayo mga doctors, no, who are conducting daily health orientation online to cater to your needs and to tell you that we are medically backed up. Now, our latest endorser in our health and wellness is Ms. Marian Rivera. At ang ini-endorse po niya is Calvit C. No? Bakit? Sa panahon ngayon, mas mahal magkasakit. Magastos kaya maospital. Kaya lahat ng tao kailangang mag-take ng Calvit C. Also, we own the copper mask. Copper mask is the most effective mask, which is 99.9% antibacterial. Now, this is proven and tested no, by the world's leading research facilities. Effective talaga siya. Ang maganda, no, tayo po i-endorse ng mga magagaling na artista. So, effective na, fashionable pa. Okay? Now, ang tayo po ay merong pop-up stores in BGC at meron tayo mga billboards na ginagastusan talaga ng company. And we have new colors, new styles, and same protection. Maraming bumibili at nakakabenta. So talagang in demand siya, no? Now, second, we also have the Ninja Ion Air Purifier, which actually cleanses the air. It releases 200 million anions. And also, we have the copper UV bottle. This is a copper-based sterilizing bottle for safer and cleaner water. Now, pangatlo, let's talk about technology. According to Bill Gates, no, that sabi niya, if your business is not online, there will be no business. Out of business po tayo. Tama naman, lahat ngayon nasa bahay na, online na talaga. And fortunately, ito yung blessing natin, that we have our own IT company. No? JC has Cloud Panda, which is one of the biggest IT companies in the Philippines, servicing so many companies. Alam nyo po ba, it was JC, it was Cloud Panda who powered Miss Universe pageant. Kaya kita nyo naman, nadala natin sila rito. Now, what Cloud Panda did, no? Cloud Panda converted mga traditional business ng JC into online shop links. Paano po yan? Magkakaroon ka ng shop link, showmyking.com/account number mo. Oo, ipopost mo na lang. Yan na yung lalabas. Ikiklik mo na lang. It's a business at the touch of a button. Ang binibenta natin dito are frozen products na pwede mo namang ipainit, lutuin. Now, the company provided all the inventories, the ordering, the payments, the delivery. At pag may bumili, may 30% ka. No? It's very, very simple. Now, this is the sample of the fill-up form. This is the payment options. This is the email notification for ordering. Ito naman yung electronic receipt. No? It's a business at the touch of a button. Simplified na siya. So you will save more money, you will save more time, and you will even save brains. Bakit? Wala ka nang gagawin. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip. No? Talagang i-activate mo na lang siya. Second, you also have the link of Mang Box Chicken. So when somebody buys, meron kang 15%. When you sell Boy Bonded products, you earn 20%. When you sell the health and beauty products, you earn 20%. At the copper mask, which is 380, you get 20%. Sa mall, 500 pa yan. So mas mura yan dito online. Now, when you sell the Ninja Ion Purifier, you earn 20%. The copper UV bottle, you earn again another 20%. Pang-apat, no, we have our transport business. Oo, bakit? Syempre, marami tayong produkto. Meron din tayong sarili nating delivery. Now, I bet you have heard about the Tok Tok delivery. Tok Tok delivery is the in now. It is the latest craze. Did you know that just in 8 months, we have already achieved 1 million hits? Ganyan tayo kasikat, no? Alam mo ba, kahit foreign investors now are eyeing to buy it at 6 billion. Napakataas ng value. At ang company, talaga namang they invested so much that they even got the highest paid couple of the Channel 2s and the Channel 7, like the Aldens and the Katniels, no? Ginagastosan po ng company ito. Ito maganda, no? How do you benefit? You will get your shop link, toktok.com/account number mo. Oo, ipopost mo lang siya that should anybody download and use the delivery, meron kang 3% sa bawat delivery. Ngayon, you wanted to be an operator, you can earn up to 7%, but you have to be the one to manage the riders, up to 50 to 100 riders per account. Now, as riders, you also earn 80%. So, lahat kumikita. Ito po yung sample ng isang Tok Tok operator na talaga namang kinareer niya that in 6 months alone, with an average of 40 deliveries every day, had accumulated her an income of 1,02,181. May pera sa Tok Tok. Alam nyo po, this is very in demand. Bakit? Kasi kahit SM nakitay up sa atin, kahit Robinsons nakitay up sa atin. Marami tayong mga ads, mga billboards, no? Pati nga po four wheels, no, in-adopt na. Kasi ngayon, syempre, maraming mga sasakyan na hindi nagagamit. Because of the system, we have now created na pwede ka na magpadala, no, kahit using your four-wheel drive, four-wheel sasakyan. Oo. Now, the value of the online delivery is already at 288,000. Alam nyo, mura po yan. Yan po yung prangkisa kasi wala ka nang aaskasuin, nakasetup na. Good news, no? Yung promo na yan, pinamura pa ng company. At hindi lang yon. Oh, the company even gave another opportunity, the first and only online franchise mall. Oh, a business na pwede kang kumita na nasa bahay ka. Ano ba yung Tok Tok Mall? Magkakaroon ka ng Shoplink, no? Something like welcome to Ross Shoplink. Oh, yan yung Shoplink mo na nandyan lahat, ang raming produkto, no? Ang ipopost mo na lang yung Shoplink mo that should anybody enter to this Shoplink, okay, lahat ng bibilhin nila, you can earn up to 3.5%. Para kang may-ari ng mall na hindi ka namuhunan ng malaki, hindi ka nagbayad ng pwesto, hindi mo kailangan ng expertise, wala ka ng overhead, tapos may kita ka sa lahat. You are like Jack Ma. You are like having your own Alibaba.com. Grabe ito. Tapos as of this time, we already have 90 brands, merchants, no, na nag-e-endorse at nagbebenta sa mall na ito. Ito pa, no, talagang bagong-bago, kapatid. Very in demand. Watch out. Naisip mo ba yung kumakain ka na, kumikita ka ba? Naisip mo ba na, biruin mo, pag kumain ka, parang may sukli pang babalik sa'yo, kikita ka. Lahat ng tao kumakain. No, lahat ng kamag-anak mo kumakain. Pati ibang kumpanya kumakain. Pati ibang tropa mo kakain at kumakain na lang, kumikita pa. Now, this is the Tok Tok Food na dati malalaking kumpanya lang kumikita. Ngayon, isa ka na sa may-ari. Kikita ka na marami na tayong merchants at maraming papasok pa. Eto pa, kapatid. More than the 3% delivery, now you can earn up to 15% from the food that they order. At wala kang gagawin, isi-send mo lang link mo, o order sila, i-deliver ng company, at kikita ka na. Grabe talaga. Guys, wonderful. The best opportunity available now. But how do we avail of these benefits? No? We simply have to become online franchisees. And there are 5 packages that we can choose. Number 1 is the Diamond package. This is the highest package. With 31 accounts, the potential income is 13 million monthly. Ang startup mo, napakaliit. Hindi po 3 million. Ha? Mukhang 3 million, pero you can start up at only 554,528. Sobrang mura. Sa sobrang laki ng kitaan, sobrang liit ng startup, walang overhead pa. You can also try the global package, which is the 15 accounts. The potential income, 6.7 million monthly. Ang laki pa rin. Grabe, imaginein mo, ilang taon mong kikitain yan. Dito, isang buwan lang. Pero ang startup mo, not 1.5. It's barely like 268,320. Para ka lang bumili ng isang food cart, wala pang overhead. Pwede ka rin namang mag-elite package. I call it the committed package at 7 accounts with 3.1 million monthly potential. Ang laki pa rin ng kita. Magkano startup? Para ka lang bumili ng 1 terabyte na iPhone 13. No? Biruin mo, gadget lang dito, negosyo na. We can also try the standard package, which is the part-timers package. 3 accounts, 1.3 million monthly. Yun ang pwede mong kitain. Grabe, laki pa rin yan, milyonaryo buwan-buwan. Tapos ang startup mo, mas mahal pa yung cellphone mo. 53,664, one time only, walang maintenance. Grabe yan. Meron din po kami pinakamura. We call it the starters pack. Sa mga tao na walang pera, pero talagang gustong-gusto at nakita mo yung value ng negosyo, ang potential income mo ay 450,000 monthly pa rin. Tapos ang startup mo, parang bumili ka lang ng mountain bike mo at 17,888. Sobrang laki ng kitaan sa sobrang liit ng simula. And the bigger package you buy, the bigger opportunity. Ano po ang mapapala? What we're gonna be getting is the all-in-one online franchise. Promo po yan. Lahat yan makukuha mo. And when you operate per business, para kang pwede kang kumita ng mga 30 to 50,000 monthly when you run each franchise. Meron pa po tayong add-ons. For every package that you buy, you will receive a 2,000 pesos worth of freebie. Promo rin yan. Imagine if you buy a diamond package, which is 31, you can avail of the 62,000 freebie na pwede mong ipang-sample o pwede mong gamitin o ibenta. Number 2, no, pwede mo nang magamit lahat ng mga trademarks, logo, marketing materials, video, posters ng iba't ibang artista, pati po si Vice Ganda, nandyan na. Binayaran natin sila para i-promote ang negosyo natin. Number 3, walang royalty fees, walang deduction, wala kang babayaran sa servers and domain, wala kang overhead, walang rent, walang staff, walang logistics, zero risk. Can you just imagine? Tapos portable, kahit nasaang bansa, pwede, basta meron kang internet. Ayan. So what do we avail? What do we get? You get all of these, the food business, the health and wellness, the essentials, the delivery, and the online shopping mall. Of course, idagdag pa natin yung Tok Tok Food. Grabe talaga. Diyan pa lang, sulit ka na. Okay ba tayo dyan, mga kapatid? Now, dahil of course we offer you the best package, we don't only offer products and services. Meron pa po tayong opportunity that we are offering to online franchisees. Kasi iba yung kumita, iba yung yumaman ka pa. Now, we have 5 ways to earn. Gawin nating simple, kapatid. Paano ba yan? Number 1, we sell the product. We sell the food. We sell the health and beauty products. We sell the essentials. We sell the Tok Tok deliveries. We sell the Tok Tok mall products. And also, no, syempre, idagdag na natin dito yung opportunity sa Tok Tok Food. Doon pa lang, panalo ka na. But the second opportunity is when we share the business. Ano ba yan? No? Na dito, hindi mo lang binigyan ng produkto, binigyan pa natin ng opportunity, pagkakataon para kumita. That for every package we sell, we earn 1,000. If you sell a diamond package, you earn 31,000. If you sell a global, you earn 15,000. If you sell an elite, you earn 7,000. If you sell standard package, you earn 3,000. If you sell a platinum, you earn 1,000. Diyan pa lang, sulit ka na. But wait, the company would want you to make money. Gusto ng company, kumita ka. Kaya we have a promo, we call it Cash is King. Take note, Cash is King. That the company now gives you 5,000 pesos income for every package sold. Paano yan? If you sell a diamond, now you'll be earning 155,000. Grabe yan. Isang tao lang laki na ng kita. If you sell a global, you earn 75,000. If you sell elite, you earn 35,000. If you sell a standard, you earn now 15,000. If you sell a platinum, you earn 5,000. Kapatid, makaisa ka nga lang a day. Part-time, you earn already 150,000. Panalo ka na. Wala kang talo. No? It's finding the right people tulad mo, tulad ko. Now, the third way is building organization. Paano ba yan? Na dito, no, ika nga po ni Paul Getty, I would rather have 1% of 100 people rather than 100% of my own. That you get a chance to multiply your income. Na ang employment pala ay active income na isa, pag walang trabaho, walang sahod, walang kita. Dito, no, hindi ka lang kumikita sa kita mo, pero sa income ng lahat ng grupo, kaya magbi-build tayo. That dito, pwede kang kumita ng unlimited. May kumikita ng 1 million a month na bago lang. Meron tayong buong mundong market. Sobrang laki ng market. And more so, di ba, gusto mo ba yung natutulog ka na, kumikita ka pa? Yan yung ultimate, no? It's more of an early retirement. Paano ba yan? When we get one franchisee on the left and one franchisee on the right, we call that one match. And for every match, you earn 1,500 bonus. Now, you get a maximum of 10 matches a day per account, so you can earn 15,000 pesos araw-araw up to 450,000 per month per account. Now, let me share you a very simple simulation. I call it the 1-year projection. Nabruin mo at least paano become an online franchisee. With the promo at platinum account, 17,888. Kunyari lang yan yung pinakamaliit at kunyari lang, diyan ka lang nagsimula. Na meron kang 13 shop links na pag minmaximize mo, pwede kang kumita ng 30 to 50,000 per month per franchise. Pero, again, McDonald's did not only make money by selling hamburgers. They made money by building organization. Mag-build tayo. Mag-build tayo. What if on the first month, basic ka mahihain first time, you only signed up 2 people a month. Isang direct 5,000, another direct 5,000. One match is 1,500. Conservatively, pero halos ROI ka na dyan. On the second month, sila rin, gagayahin ka rin. tag-dalawa. Ang tawag ko dyan, trabahong tamad, barkadang tamad. Ha? On the second month, 2 matches times 1.5, may 3,000 ka na dyan. Pero sa third month, may 6,000 ka na. Fourth month, may 12,000 ka. Fifth month, may 24,000 ka. Sixth month, may 48,000 ka na mas malaki na sa sahod mo. Kapatid, po ganyan, mag-full-time ka na. On the seventh month, you earn 96,000 na hindi mo kikitain sa employment. On the eighth month, isang taong sahod ng empleyado yan. On the ninth month, daig mo pa may Jollibee franchise na ang liit lang simula at walang overhead, grabe laki ng kita. On the 10th month, you are already reaching 15,000 income araw-araw. Up to 450,000 naman na kahit natutulog ka, kumikita ka. Can you just imagine in 1 year you earn 2.1 million with the most conservative figures? Now, what if mag-diamond account ka pa? You get times 3, times 7, times 15, times 31. The bigger package, the bigger income. Times 31. Paano pag mas marami ka pang ni-refer ng business na to? Ang raming gustong kumita, pandemic pa naman ngayon. Siyempre, mas malaki kita mo. Paano kung araw-araw? No? Ako po, I work like an employee, but I think like a businessman. Don't do it once a day. I do this 5 times a day. Kaya dito, guaranteed. Is it happening? Yes. We have so many people making money already. We have elementary teacher, public accountants, we have store supervisors, we have credit controllers, we have nursing students, we have aircraft mechanics, we have licensed teachers, former Grab drivers, meron tayong flight attendants. Hindi nila linya yan. Pero napapanahon kasi lahat ng tao gustong kumita sa pandemic. Meron tayong taga Spain, taga Taiwan, taga Africa, taga Australia, taga Slovakia, na pati yung anak niya, pinayin niya dahil gusto niya may ipon na. Meron tayong taga US, taga Japan, taga United Kingdom, taga Australia, taga Germany, taga Japan, at napakarami pang iba. Grabe ang raming kumikita sa negosyo nito. Imagine mo na lang lahat ng kakilala at kamag-anak mo sa ibang bansa dito. Now, number 4, we have the direct referral bonus that the company gives you additional 20% on the matching income of your direct. Example, may 1.5 ka. The company pays you 300 pesos for every 1.5. Ganyan kalaki ang pwede mong kitain. And number 5, pag bumibili uli, you can earn 15,000 na naman every day, up to 450,000 naman. Based on the repeat purchase of the health and wellness products. It's so simple. Just follow the 4 easy steps. Be a franchisee. Choose your package. The bigger package you buy, the bigger income you get. And number 2, give me 1 year, guys. Give me 1 year. And I will guarantee the million for you. Follow the system. We will build and train, and we will duplicate the program. Number 4 thing that I offer you support. Bakit? I am 25 years in this industry. I'm a life coach. I'm an author of 5 books, and I will help you do the business. We will teach you how, show you, and share with you how to do the business. Meron na po tayong existing na team. We have 10:30, 10 a.m. Zoom, the 3 p.m. Zoom, the 6 p.m., 11 p.m., and 1 a.m. Hindi ka mag-isa. Marami kayong tutulong, marami kaming tutulong na samahan ka at turuan ka para gawin ng negosyo. We have the ABC support system. We will do the presentations and answer your questions. BR The Bridge, bumili at mag-invite. Yan yung mga bago na partner natin dito. At letter C, no, we have the clients and the customers. All you have to do is to listen and make decisions. Pag gusto mo, tutulungan ka natin. Alam mo, kapatid, success is a matter of choice. Tulad din po ng mention ni Chinkitan. That's why the rich gets richer and the poor gets poorer depending on the choices that you make. Make the right choice. Be one of our partners. At hindi po ito chamba because we already make millionaires. I have already 20 millionaires at present just in 1 year. Like this lady, Ma'am Zenia Tabor, a former employee in the real estate na nag-diamond at kumita ng 1 million in 10 months. Also, we have Miss Kenny V. Aquino, a pharmacist in Boston. Oo, part-time niya lang to, nag-diamond account, pero nag-million na siya in 3 months and 28 days. Next, meron tayo Miss Ann Aguilar, a former CSR. 2 months, 2 years, walang kita sa bahay. Nag-diamond account holder, nag-million siya in 8 months. Meron tayong another millionaire, Miss Salome Victoriano from the Royal Commonwealth Nations Board Council of Canada. Marami na itong tinulungang tao. Diamond account holder and earned 1 million just in 7 months. Now, we have Randel Abanto, a chef in Vienna, earned 1 million in a year. Meron tayo, Mr. Ryan Bulaong, earned 1 million in 5 months from the Philippines. No, we have Ma'am Sara Moscosa from the House of Representatives, made 1 million in 5 months, a diamond account holder. Meron tayo Miss Daniza Muanya, naapektuhan yung Gluta Clinic niya, pero dito nag-million siya in 1 year. Meron tayo Mama Girly Magwad, no, a former Starbucks manager, nag-diamond account, nag-full-time after 5 months, 1 million just in 8 months. Meron tayo Julian Lianza, used to be a BPO, made her million in 1 year and 3 months. Meron tayong Ma'am Beth Simons, no, from Boston, USA, na nag-inquire lang siya, tinuruan, nag-diamond just in 3 months, no? Nag-million siya, and she's recognized as one of the fastest rookies. Now, Laura Pascual, a purchasing and logistics officer, ngayon nag-million siya in 1 year. Now, and Jane Rabanzo, a housewife, nurse, ngayon nasa bahay lang. Diamond account holder, became a millionaire in 1 year. Now, we also have Jaron Tenorio, who earned this million in a year, a former supervisor, pharma trainer. Now, Ma'am Raquel Garcia is one of the operations manager in one of the biggest construction company. Okay, she earns 6-figure in her job, but she wants to make more time for the family. Alam mo, good news, after a while, dinicide niya. Ngayon, nag-half a million a month, no? Enjoying time freedom, kasamang asawa at anak, at grabe talaga. Kita mo, naka-Mustang pa, naka-brand new Terra pa. More freedom for her. Now, we also have Ma'am Mariam Reyes from Dubai, used to be a brand manager for cosmetics products. Ngayon po, nagmimilyon na, nag-200,000 a month, no? Nasa Dubai. Now, the boss of herself, a diamond account holder in a Millionaires Club. This is my youngest millionaire, Mr. Neil Ivan Reyes. Just in 1 year, nagmilyon, nakadalawang sasakyan, at kumita na ng more than, actually, nasa 4 million na to. Average 80,000 a week. Grabe, no? Walang pinipili, kahit drop out, basta may pangarap at willing magtrabaho. This is Doc Ferdy. He is the busiest person in town. Nagsuswab araw-araw. Pero kahit busy siya, nakapag 4 million, nag-JC siya at nag-i-enjoy ng financial freedom. This is my partner, Alona Jane Purio. She's a health enthusiast. Oo, meron tayong sasakyan at nag-6 million na rin siya in a year. And of course, this is me. Alam mo yon, dati I have to travel pa. Ngayon, nandito na, online, nasa bahay ka, nabayaran ng utang, kumita, nabayaran ng bills, no? And of course, I bought myself a Mustang. It's my gift for myself. Had 2 lots and 2 house lots and made almost 10 million na in this industry. Kapatid, grabe. This business changed lives. All you have to do is to sign up online. Gawin nating simple. I will be needing your name, your address, your number, your email, and of course, your valid ID to validate your name. And second, you can send your proof of payment online, either online banking, either credit card, GCash, or the remittances. Then we will proceed to all the trainings necessary para matuto ka, para malaman mo, at para maging effective ka rito. Hindi ka mag-isa. Partner tayo, mga kapatid. And of course, let me tell you, the real opportunity is now. Bakit? Pandemic eh. You have to see it before it becomes obvious. Ang mga resulta kong na-earn ngayon are the results of because of my decision 1 year ago. Now, who you will be 1 year from now will be because of your decision now. Guys, do it now or before it become too late. Do not miss the opportunity. Maging online JC franchisee na tayo. Let's do it, guys. Always be the best. This is Coach Benji here to help you. Thank you.